Hi, I'm Chastity with I Need Thee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my Instant Pot raw milk yogurt. This has become one of my favorite yogurts to make and to eat. Alright, so for this recipe I use a half a gallon of raw milk. So I've already poured 2 cups into my measuring cup. So I will start with 2 cups of raw milk. I'm going to put it in my Instant Pot and turn my Instant Pot onto saute. So this is going to start heating up my milk, and after it starts getting warm and I can just tell that the milk is at a nice warm temperature, I will add in my next ingredient. Alright, so my milk has warmed up. I can just tell that it's got some heat coming out of it. So I'm going to add in 1 3/4 of a tablespoon of beef gelatin powder, and I like this Now brand. So I'm going to add that over the top of my milk. I'll take my whisk and just whisk this in until it all looks like it's dissolved in my milk. Alright, I'm going to turn off the saute. Steam is starting to rise out of the top of it. I'm just going to keep stirring it just a little bit. It looks like it's almost dissolved. So now that my milk is heated a little bit and I've added in my gelatin powder and it has dissolved and stirred nicely in there, I'm going to add the rest of my half gallon. And then I'm going to add a 1/16 of a teaspoon of a yogurt culture. And I'll sprinkle that over the top also. Alright, and then I'll just give that a little light stir. I'm going to put on my Instant Pot lid, and I have taken the ring out of the inside of the lid. Seal it. It doesn't really seal, but I go ahead and do that just out of habit. And then I'm just going to click the yogurt. I'm going to put it for 24 hours. You can go less than this. You can go between 8 to 24. I just go the full length because I want it to be as thick as possible, and so I leave it for the full 24 hours. And so now it will cook. And whenever this is done, after 24 hours, I will bring you back and show you how my yogurt turned out. Okay, so my yogurt is now done. It's been 24 hours. And so the Instant Pot has turned off and we're ready to look inside. All right, so it's just turned off. It's still a little bit runny at this point. I will now put my yogurt in the fridge for another 24 hours, and it'll thicken up some more in the fridge, and then it'll be ready to eat.